how to convert normal video to 4K Ultra HD. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open CapCut on your phone. Tap on New Project, then here Flavor in Green and tap on Add. Now, here what you need to do is, you want to mute this, or you can even work with unmute. And here what you need to do is, you want to tap on Adjust again. Now here, find Graft. Then do the following thing as in the video. Do it with each and every color, all the 4 colors. After you're done, you want to go ahead and tap on the arrow facing downwards and tap on Done. That is tick mark on the bottom right corner. Here, as you're done, now you want to go ahead and tap on Effect, then tap on Video Effects. Now you want to go to the section of Lens and then you want to select Blur. Extend the effect to the very end. After this, you want to go ahead and export this, and then you want to start new project with the same video. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on Overlay, tap on Add Overlay, and select the video that you have just edited and extend it to the whole video. Select the overlaid video and tap on Blend. Now put the burn effect here. Drag the adjusting thing to 24. After you're done, tap on tick mark that is on the bottom right corner. Again, you want to go ahead and add overlay, and this time you want to go to stock video and put a white screen. Extend it to the video. Now tap on blend again and tap on overlay and put this to 85, and then you want to tap on done, that is tick mark on the bottom right corner. And this is how you can convert normal video to 4K Ultra HD. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.